Singapore reached a turning point in 2013. In his National Day rally, Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong underlined the commitment of the government and the community to do more on social support. And they did. The focus was on building a more inclusive society by strengthening social safety nets. Some 20 social service offices within HDB towns island-wide will be set up over the next 2 to 3 years. This is to bring social services closer to those who need them most. Seniors too now have over 100 access points to tap on the Enhanced Seniors Mobility and Enabling Fund. And this is to help them remain mobile and live independently. For persons with disabilities, good news too. SG Enable, which was set up in July, provides them with the necessary skills and training to join the workforce.
There's been an increased level of government support for the elderly, for the needy, for the low-income group, for the disabled. In terms of widening the qualifying criteria and also increase in the subsidy levels itself. I think these are all very heartening and very positive. It shows clearly that PM wants to do more to address the concerns of Singaporeans.
The elderly can expect more help with upcoming changes expected with MediShield Life.
They must be quite worried, and understandably so. And for whatever the reason is that they were not covered, I think it's important that now eventually they will be covered.
One challenge, however, will be to ensure seamless access for all elderly needs.
How can we integrate healthcare and social care cohesively for the elderly? Very often, funding bodies either fund social care or they just fund healthcare. They don't fund it together.
Looking forward, the government has signalled its continued commitment to doing more, but without losing focus on whether the relevant programs actually work.
The government will do more to give Singaporeans peace of mind and help you all cope with new challenges. But the ultimate test of our success is not how much the government does or how much we spend, but the outcomes of these programs.
And this is a challenge that voluntary welfare organizations also recognize.
The key change now is not in the area of the government that needs to happen. I think now is people on the ground, people like us, we have to respond. With the resources that are given to us, what are we doing with them? We need to up our competencies. We need to think about how we can be more effective and work with more agencies to come together to solve the problems. We need to show that whatever resources that were given is worth the money. There has to be a mindset shift.
In 2014, we can expect greater focus in ensuring the effectiveness and coherence between programs in the social services.